Welcome to Be Learning, where phrasal verbs are made easy with Belinda. Welcome to the next in our series of Learning to Love Phrasal Verbs. Today, again, we're going to be looking at 3 phrasal verbs, and remember the rules. Not to look at phrasal verbs as 2 separate verbs or 2 separate words, but as one verb together. Alright, let's begin. Okay, the first phrasal verb we're going to look at today is weigh up. Now, weigh up means to consider. So let's have a look. I had to weigh up the options in the new job that I was offered. I had to consider if the pay was good, the location was good, the hours were good. I had to weigh it up. Let's have a look at another example. I had to weigh up whether I was going to go to Italy or to France for holidays. I had to consider my options. I had to weigh up which was the best holiday, the best money, the best option. Okay, our second phrasal verb for today is talk over. Now, talk over means to discuss. So my boss wanted to see me at work today to talk over my options in the project. I wanted to meet with my friend for a coffee so we could talk over our plans for our holiday. So we wanted to discuss our plans. Let's talk it over before we make a rushed decision, a decision in a hurry. Let's talk it over. We both had a disagreement about what we should do. So we decided to get together and talk it over. Our next phrasal verb, our last one for today, is take up. Now, take up has lots of meanings, but today we're just going to look at 2. Take up can mean to shorten. I bought a new dress and I had to take up the hem, the bottom of the dress. I had to take it up to make it shorter. I bought some trousers and they were too long, so I had to take them up. So to take up means to shorten. Take up also means to begin to follow a profession or a hobby. I took up learning Spanish when I moved to Spain. I took up doing triathlons after I hurt my knee. I took up learning to play the guitar after someone bought me a guitar for a present. Okay, well, that's our phrasal verbs for today. I've included some extra ones at the end of the lesson for you to help just a little bit more. Alright, until next time, be learning phrasal verbs.